Hello guys, welcome to the UK Card Club card review video. This one is going to be a bit different. This is going to be a 6-parter. We will be reviewing the Smoke and Mirrors Deluxe box set. Now this I have got second hand. I got it off someone who opened them and barely touched them. Was the description. Yeah, I really wanted it and I just, I never had a chance to get hold of one. So when this came up very well priced on eBay, I decided to go for it. So we're going to initially look at the box and one of the first decks, and then we will do it over 6 parts. So here, as I've just shown you, we have the box. It's sort of like a glossy black, and then if you have a look in here, it's like almost army brown, mud brown. Inside there is this with the Dan and Dave logo on it. You use both hands. Oh, is this like a card clip? Oh, that's really cool. It's like a Dan and Dave card clip. I'm not sure what this sticky stuff's for, unless it's to stick on the outside of one of the particular decks and it's just a single use, or I'm not entirely sure, to be honest, what this bit's for. Yeah, it's really cool. Doubt I'll ever use it, to be honest, as I want to keep it part of the set, but still very nice. So inside we have the 6 decks that we're going to be reviewing over the next 6 parts. So these, as I said, these are pre-owned. Oh, pre-loved as I like to think of it. You got the Smoke and Mirrors, designed by Dan and Dave, illustrated by Cy Scott, printed and manufactured by the United States Playing Card Company on November the 6th, 2012. So I believe this is a V1 Smoke and Mirrors box. Limited edition, 914 out of 10,000, and I don't know if this has actually been signed. I don't think it has. I think the signatures are printed on, but, oh actually, I don't know. I think this has been hand signed. I don't know who these signatures are. Hopefully Dan and Dave. Sorry, as I was saying. So these are pre-owned, these are pre-loved, but you'll see when we do the reviews that actually they're in really good condition. They've been used once or twice. So yeah, I was really lucky to get hold of this. The full set, the card clip. I mean, to be honest, I don't know how similar these are going to be. And if they are very similar, then I don't see much point in reviewing them all. I might do one now, and in the next video, if it turns out that these are very similar, probably see me reviewing all 5 in one go. Here we've got the Dan and Dave logo in the centre here, and it says playing cards across the bottom. On the side it's got Dan and Dave, illustrated by Cy Scott. It's got the Dan and Dave logo, along with loads of little silver dots. Then it's got distributed by the Dan and Dave Playing Card Co. All the front in the white is embossed, all the white on the sides embossed, and the white on the back's embossed, so everything white's embossed apart from where it says Dan and Dave here, which seems to be sort of pressed into the deck. There, so it had a custom Dan and Dave seal, which has been broken obviously. And it's got the Dan and Dave logo inside, and then more embossing across the flap. There's 2 like embossed targets here in white, very nice. And we'll take out the deck. So let me raise this camera a little bit so we can get a better view of these. So here, Dan and Dave, it's like a metallic bluey silver, sort of metallic ink. It's got more of a defined bluey grey in the middle there, with the Dan and Dave logo. I don't know why I showed you the back first, I never do that. Looking at the front here, we've got this really nice metallic-y blue silver, which under one light it looks grey, under another it looks blue. It's very cool. Both of the red suits, it has this really cool ink. And there's a black, it looks like a standard black. There's obviously no metallicness to it. Looks like a standard United States Playing Card Company face would be. Yeah, they're really cool. Looking at the royalty here, it's a very simple and elegant design with just that silver metallic-y blue ink used again there. But you notice that that's even in the black suits, because obviously it's actually on the red suits, pips and indices. All you're looking to distinguish with is the indices and pips, which is, you might get a bit of a pain, but it's not a big deal. I love the fact that you can't tell what colour this is. Even here it looks blue, here it looks grey, here it looks white, here it looks black almost. It's really cool. Looking at the ace here, oh look at that, that's so nice. It's like a delicate silver and that blue again, and I think the blue's sort of indicated by the tuck case. I'm really excited to see some of the others. I promise you I'm not going to cheat and have a look before I do the reviews. Whoa, they are silky smooth, like they've never been touched, which really surprises me. I don't know how someone's resisted the urge to play with these. Yeah, he's really looked after them. There's no colouring to the edges, there's no sort of damage to them where they've been sort of forced together. Feel, spread, fan, just beautifully. I'm not going to bend them and do any springs or anything with it, but considering they were packaged pretty badly, yeah, I'm kind of over the moon. So there you have it. The Dan and Dave's blue/silvers. I'm not really sure what they're called. I'm presuming that some of the other ones in the more silver tuck case are the silvers. Yeah, these look very bluey silver, so we'll call them the blue/silvers. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll catch you next time where I'll be looking at another one of these beautiful Dan and Dave playing card decks. Take care.